Well, here's some cleanup on the Central Electronics 100V audio limiter module. So I did take out these diodes. They did test good. Took out the bias battery. If you look at the schematic, you really just want to get this .1 capacitor here connected over here to the transformer. That's what you want to do. So there's how the diodes look in the circuit now. And that is where I put them there. And so if you look at the bottom, this leg here goes to that .1 capacitor, which I replaced. This leg here goes to one terminal on the transformer, which connects right there, I think. The other end of the transformer connects there. So one end connects there, both those connect. That's how it's supposed to go. Here we connect, battery gone. So that should do it for the audio limiter board. Nick was saying these .1 capacitors in here, or .01s, go bad. I guess that's these can go bad. These discs in here can go bad. I guess I'm feeling a bit lazy and I don't want to dig those out, so maybe we'll just try this thing and see if it works without the bias battery. Small steps at a time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.